Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to come your way with another Abelewalls video. I hope you all are doing well and taking care of yourself. We are making custard ice cream. This was creamy and turned out so nice. So these are the ingredients. I have my custard powder, some condensed milk, milk powder, vanilla essence, margarine. I also have cups to shape my Abelewalls in my stick. So into a bowl, I'll go in with half cup of custard, add some water, and then mix them together and set it aside. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, I'm Gertrude, and we make anything related to food recipes on this channel. If you like what you are seeing, kindly click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon for notification. So guys, please stay tuned. In another bowl, I'll go in with 1 cup of milk powder, add some warm water, mix until everything is well dissolved, and I'll also set it aside. So in a pot, I'll go in with some water and put this on the fire. So after 10 minutes it is boiling, so I went in with the custard and stir gently. So I went in with my margarine and I will also stir until it melts in the custard. Alright fam, so our custard is ready and now just take it off from the fire and then pour it in my bowl. So I have my custard porridge in a bowl. I will go in with the milk, then also go in with the condensed milk. After that, I added vanilla essence and a tablespoon of salt. I will mix them together until I get a uniform mixture. Are you still watching up to this time? If you are, thank you so much. Please give this video a thumbs up and also share this video. So because of the condensed milk I used, I didn't add any sugar, but please do if you want to add it to your ice cream. And also after that, I went ahead to sieve it off camera. This is what I had, and I also tasted it and it was okay. So here is our creamy ice cream mixture and it's already looking so yummy. After that, I'll go ahead and serve them into the cups and also insert my chewing sticks. So I went ahead to tie the rest of the ice cream mixture into my rubber. So we are going to keep this in the freezer for overnight, and after the next day, this is our ice cream is ready and it looks so yummy. Guys, if you find this video interesting, give it a thumbs up and also share this video. Thank you so much for watching. And we also have the one tied in the rubber. Look how beautiful this is, and you really have to try this ice cream recipe. It came out so nice and delicious. Guys, see you in my next video, and thanks for watching.